Sorry for the technical issues. We are not, I think, 3 minutes late. So we'll start every day 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. We come online to explain to you about our blog posts, video tutorials, what you have added, and what is we are going to add it. So all the details, updates I give you at 7:30, and we are focusing more on the AI tools, Tkinter, Python different libraries, web publishing and all. PHP, and mostly the integrating the database with our front end or back end script. So these are all the areas we focus, many areas, right from HTML you can see all the jQuery and SQL, everything we also cover it on that. We have a lot of tutorials we have uploaded and you can watch them. Tkinter is one of our say many tutorials we have added in that, and that now we are focusing more on the Tkinter. So in one Tkinter application, we have already discussed about the dynamically when you are adding widgets, how the frame or the scrolling frame takes care of it. Now we'll see when you have a database, suppose multiple rows of data, the frame will automatically come up. But when you start searching the rows, means you are filtering the rows, so your number of rows comes down. So automatically the scroll bar should change its size and giving you a more scrolling feature. So based on the, suppose less records are there, then scroll size should go up. So based on the viewport, it will automatically adjust and give you the details. That is what the tutorial is all about. So that is what the blog post I will just show you initially. Then if possible, I will show you the demo. Let's just let me open this post first. Was this? Yeah, you can see here, this is the one. Here you can see the image. Here you just scroll, once you start typing here, this will narrow down or less and less. So this scroll will accordingly adjust it on its own. So this is what you are. Previously we had discussed about that. This video tutorial we are going to add. So a lot of tutorials are going to come up. Don't worry, next I think couple of days it will be slowly, it will start flowing. Below that, the entire code is there. You can just copy it, keep on using. So here for your easy understanding, these are color codes are added, so you can watch that also. And friends, this is the code subsequently. See here, you can see here, this is the data. Based on this data, this particular top, you can see the GUI is created. But what happens, this data source can be anything, can be a MySQL database or a SQLite, Excel, CSV, anything it can be, and number of rows or data should be, data also can change. Now here what we are doing is we are searching on name and class. These two columns we are searching. You can change it also. I'll show you where it is. In the tutorial part, we will in depth we will discuss. Subsequently, we will see connecting it to different data sources. So SQLite, MySQL, Excel, CSV, Pandas data frame. Tell me anything it can connect and get the data, and filtering is done at the locally. Okay friends, that is the idea here. So this will discuss more on this. Let me try to show you let me just run the code once. Hope you are able to, yeah, here you can see, let me just run it once. It's the same code what you have. Yes, here it is. You can see this is the window which you open. Now I have a scroll bar here because here right now it is 35 records, so I have to scroll here. Now was this scroll as I am filtering the data. So A, B. Now only one matching. This is a string matching. Suppose I will go back. Was this also dynamically changes. 4. Say class is 4. Now all class 4 records are displayed here. So you can see there is no bar because there is scrolling is not required. Once I goes out, removes the records, you can see all the, now the scroll bar has come up because I had to need to scroll because more records are displayed here. These are all taken from a data list. Now you may see that, let me just close this, come out. Yeah, you can see that this data source, we can also change it. This data source not necessarily always be the data what we have stuck it. It can dynamically come from the database also. So that is a different story altogether. But here we have focused about the controlling the scroll part. So automatically the right side, the scroll is getting control. Once you change the data sources, different ways you can handle it, say from MySQL database or SQLite or anything. Data source can be anything, but here I have just used a standard format of data, taking a tuples inside a list, means multiple tuples, each row is a tuple and the entire data set is a list. So that is how it is taken. You can change it also based on your requirement. So this is the script what you will be focusing. You can shortly see the entire video in-depth tutorial, so which you can follow it. And you have any idea, doubt, suggestion, questions, just a minute friends, let me just come here. Yeah, if you have any idea, doubt, suggestion, questions, you can post it in the comment section here or below the video tutorials, whatever you are getting, and accordingly we'll see. Your feedbacks are highly important to us. My request is please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button also, and tell your friends also to join 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. We come online live to give you all these updates. We'll continue further. Probably next week or so we'll be giving you more tutorials, more videos on these topics what you are continuing now. That is the idea, friends. So hope you are enjoying, and tell your friends also to join, and hope that you will be joining me tomorrow also. So let me just, that's all friends, we'll end the session now. Thank you friends, thank you for joining.